Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the unit and prepping the chocolate because heat and viscosity create flow. Once the fountain is level and powered, chop your couverture into 1/2 pieces so it melts evenly. This reduces burning. Add 10–20% vegetable oil or cocoa butter by weight to lower viscosity and encourage smooth cascading. Make sure the basin reaches a steady warm temperature before adding chocolate. This prevents clumping. Once done, pour chocolate slowly into the heated bowl while the auger turns to pull chocolate upward. You focus now on maintaining a consistent stream. This is where flow problems appear. Adjust the temperature in small increments. Too hot thins chocolate excessively, too cool makes it sluggish, so fine-tune until the cascade looks like a steady sheet. Inspect the auger and drive mechanism. Tight belts and secure fittings prevent sputtering. Stir gently to knock out air pockets and to blend oil evenly, and make sure debris or dried chocolate is not grabbing the rotor. Once the waterfall is uniform, you're nearly finished. You wrap up by stabilizing the fountain for service and planning cleanup. Steady temperature prevents skin and uneven flow. During service, skim surface film and stir gently every 20–30 minutes, and when finished, power down and allow the unit to cool before disassembly. Remove and soak removable parts in warm soapy water, then dry completely to avoid rust or mold. If the cascade drops or clogs, pause the auger, warm the basin a couple degrees, and add 1–2 teaspoons of oil per cup of chocolate as a key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.